Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Mildred Logbangon, 34 years old, single, have 2 kids, age 12 years old and 5 years old. I have 4 brothers, 3 sisters. I am the 6th child in the family. I finished my course as Ladderized Information Technology at Kalinga College of Science and Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have a work experience here in the Philippines as housemaid. I work in 1 couple and 1 child, age 5 years old. I do ironing, cleaning, washing, and taking care of the child.
Okay. What else?
I have also work experience in the municipality of Paracelis, in the mayor's office as encoding and administrative aid, sir. And also work as encoder in the PhilHealth office in Paracelis Mountain Province for more than 2 years, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check the temperature of the child and call my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
Sir, I am humble, trustworthy, hardworking, and generous, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my family and to support my kids in their educational purposes and to support their my kids for their financial.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My family, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and play music, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep in 9 and wake 4 or 3 o'clock in the morning, sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Stay calm and patient, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir, unless they want, I want to help them, sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Hello to my future employer. If you hire me, I will promise to do my very best and my duty, my responsibility as your maid, and I promise that I will finish my contract. And thank you, ma'am, and to my future employer if you hire me.
Okay.